Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So this is gonna be a really quick one. What we want to talk about in this is how do you format strings in Python. So let's take a quick look. So again, a new file we're working on. So let's say you want to print a variable with a string and you wanted to concat strings and all those things in a print statement, something like that. Let's take an example of print statement. So let's say welcome to maybe okay, so let's say what I want to say is that welcome to some city that I want to say and enjoy the event. Maybe you have come for a concert or something. So what I want to say is that there are two gaps basically. Welcome to it's gonna be a city name here, and it's gonna be the event here, right? Something like that. So these things come, let's assume that these things are coming from a variable. So let's have the variable name called city, and our most happening city is NYC, and let's create a variable called event, and maybe let's call it a show or something, a magic show, music show or something. So how do we put it here? One way is to do this, right? Welcome to, then double quotes, and then put a plus sign, and then city, and then again a plus sign, then double quotes, and enjoy the, and then double quotes, plus sign, event, right? So one of the ways to print this thing is this, right? And it's gonna do the job. So let's run the code. Oh, we have to change the settings first. Edit configurations. I wanted to run my strings formatting file and click OK, and let's run the code again. So it says yes, welcome to NYC and enjoy the show, right? But there are better ways to do it because we're adding like too many plus signs, we're taking care of this formatting like the space, extra space and all those things. So what could be a better way to do that? So let's take a look at it. It's gonna yield the same output. It's just little okay, little better. It's again a matter of preference. You can use any of them, so it doesn't matter a lot. So let's type this welcome to and enjoy the show, right? So what I'm gonna say here is I'm gonna say a person s, and again I'm gonna say a person s. Now this is kind of a placeholder, and the person operator will replace the person s in that string with the string variable that comes after it. So we're gonna pass the string variables here. Right after the string, we're gonna say percent, and in the brackets or parentheses, I'm gonna give the variables city and event. So when I do that, what happens is it knows that there are two percent signs and there are two variables. So these should match. If there are two percent s, then there should be two variables. If there's 1% s, then there should be one variable. These things should match. So when I say that and run the code, it's gonna yield me the same output. As you can see that, welcome to NYC and enjoy the show. So that's what I wanted to show you, that there are multiple ways to format the string. So we can use a little better way that we don't have to add so many plus signs, we don't have to take care of these spaces to make the string look good and all those things. We can just put %s as a placeholder and then provide the variables that we want to use. So just assume that we only wanted to print one of the variables, so it's different than multiple variables. So let's say I only have the slogan for welcome to NYC. Let's say that I only have this thing, that please welcome to NYC. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this event thing from here, and I can just say this, and it's gonna just say welcome to NYC in between, right? And since there's only one variable, you actually don't need the parentheses as well. So you can just say this. It's gonna yield the same output, welcome to NYC. So these are the ways to format the strings, guys. So that's pretty much it. It's, as I promised, it's gonna be really quick and short. So just practice formatting few strings, take some more variables, try to format it in all these different ways, and get back to me if you have any questions. So stay tuned for the next one lectures, guys. Thanks for running this one.